Have you ever seen the word log in a math problem and had no idea what it meant? You're not alone. Logarithms look confusing, but they're actually just another way of talking about exponents. In this short video, we learn what a logarithm is.
Well, let's talk about logarithm. Logarithm comes from the word logos and arithmos, a word made up by John Napier. It is the exponent or power to which a base must be raised to yield a given number. Remember that a base must be raised, okay, to yield a given number, okay? Now, there are three types of logarithm. Well, there's a lot more, but we'll focus on these three types. The first one is logarithmic functions. The second one is logarithmic equations. And finally, logarithmic inequalities or inequality. You might be wondering, how can you tell which one is which? Well, there are these symbols that can tell you which is which. For example, for logarithmic functions, there's the function sign. Always look for that f of x. And for logarithmic equations, you can just look for an equal sign. And when it comes to logarithmic inequality, you can look for, of course, the word log and the inequality signs. Now, let's focus on logarithmic function. By definition, a logarithmic function is a function in the form of f of x equal to logarithmic with the base of 0 is x, such that b is greater than 0 and b cannot be equal to 1. Now, let's have some examples. F of x is equal to logarithmic with the base of logarithmic with the base of 3 and x minus 4. So here you can see that it is a function because we have f of x, right? Now let's do another one. Y equals to logarithmic with a base of 2 and 2x plus 3. Alright, so here the f is replaced with a y. That's about it. So how to know if it's a function? So basically, you just always look for the f and the x, or in some cases a y, right? You just look for f of x or the y and x variables, and that's about it. That's how you can tell if a logarithmic function, or actually any kind of function, is a function. Now let's talk about logarithmic equations. By definition, it is an equation involving logarithm. An equation involving logarithms. Now we have a few examples here. First, we have logarithmic with a base of 3, x plus 3 equals 2. So here you can tell that it's a logarithmic equation because see, there's the word log and an equal sign. So that basically checks out. Now, let's move over to logarithmic inequalities. Logarithmic inequalities. Now, by definition, it's as simple as logarithmic equations. It is an inequality involving logarithms. See here, inequality and logarithm. That's basically it. Now let's have a few examples. We have logarithmic with a base of 3, x is less than 4. Now you can tell that this is a logarithmic inequality because of the word log and the inequality sign, which is the less than. So that's a check. And we know that there's a lot more signs, right, for inequality, so just look out for those. We have greater than, less than, equal. Can't be equal. I forgot the right term, but that's what I know. Greater than, equal, less than, equal, those kinds of things. Well, that sums it up for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And yeah, this is Arhendale Hernandez. Thank you so much.